Hi friends, welcome to week 21 of school and a short week this week. So you have no school Thursday or Friday this week, so keep that in mind. Couple of things I mentioned before to you during our Google Meets in class last week is we are taking kind of a big emphasis on writing this semester in AVID. So we look a lot at different types of writing. We'll do a lot of revisions of our writing and look at common mistakes that a lot of times we make and stuff like that just to become better writers. So Monday, we're going to do a creative writing prompt, and I'm going to kind of throw these in here just randomly. Right now, there's only one in the folder because we're only doing one this week. So you'll do that on Monday as a start, and then we're going to look at elements of an argument. Okay, so I have a lesson recorded in here for you to look at. You're going to look at a short reading about evaluating arguments in reading, and then do a little bit of practice. So this might be a little bit of review. I know sometimes you work on argumentative writing in English, but a lot of times we don't break it down, like what are the actual elements of a solid argument. And then when we practice argumentative writing, how do we apply those elements? So we're going to learn about argumentative writing on Monday, or elements of an argument specifically. Tuesday, we will be doing our study session like we do every Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we will do digital tutorials like we do every Wednesday. And then next week, we will actually transition to tutorials on Thursdays instead of Wednesdays. So I'll give you a heads up there before that happens. Just make sure you submit your question to me before our tutorial starts so I can kind of formulate groups and whatnot. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you at our Google Meet on Monday.